Hi, this is Ms. Todoric, and I wanted to share with you those three websites that Jay Rich was discussing in his video that made him a millionaire. The first one is Shopify. So you can start your free trial here. And I know these websites are blocked by most school districts, so I'm going to just show you what it looks like. The second one was AliExpress. So if you take a look, there's a lot of items that you can resell, from LED lights to socks to signs to stickers. This is pretty cool. LED string lights. That looks nice. I like that. And the last one is Alibaba. So this is what Alibaba's website looks like. Again, very similar to AliExpress. And those are the three websites. Thanks. Bye.